Of Baba.
We take a trip to the Norton Grange next on Video Toolbox, and Kid Williams is not feeling that great. And we've got another double from Block 13, 9pm-12am. And of course, the kids are really going to the concert.
You're going to realize it one day. Happiness was never about being like the others. One day you're going to see it. That happiness was always about the discovery, the listening to your heart and following it wherever it chose to go.
Being myself is the boldest thing I can do. My own self, my expressive self. Proud, strong, free. My emotional self. I walk in, they lose their powers,
Myself, the eau de parfum and the new Absolute, Yves Saint Laurent.
Home. It's a feeling that grows over time. It's where a bed becomes your sanctuary for some time to yourself, even if it doesn't always go to plan.
Baby, I'm home, I'm home, I'm home.
Oak Furnitureland. Grow your home.
School's out for summer. At Tesco Mobile, our deals will help you make the most of it. Get the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE with Galaxy AI and 12 gigs of data for just $29.99 a month with Club Card prices, saving you £288. And you'll collect Club Card points too. How you choose to spend them is up to you. It pays to be connected. Search Tesco Mobile. Every little helps.
Oh, what's this?
Cardio Mobile, my personal ECG.
ECG?
My doctor recommended it. It can detect AFib. Look, 30 seconds, an accurate ECG. Simple.
And it goes wherever I go. Nice peace of mind.
Get your personal ECG at cardiomobile.co.uk or Amazon. If relaxing's proving tricky, your nose knows how to set the mood effortlessly. Try Airwick Essential Mist, now infused with 2 times more natural essential oils for our best ever fragrance experience. With 4 intensity settings, it's perfectly portable and glows as it mists. So to light up the mood with amazing fragrance, your nose knows. Now that's a breath of fresh Airwick.
Buy now with up to 12 months to pay. Sofas and smartphones, cozy duvet. 12 months to slay, 12 months to slay. With every pay, snazzy air fryers for your nuggies, TVs and vacuums for your hubbies. 12 months to slay, 12 months to slay. With very pay,
Get up to 12 months to pay with VeryPay and pay no interest. Let's make it sparkle.
We take a trip down to the Norton Grange with Kid Williams now on Video Toolbox, and he's not feeling like the real man. Just so you know, this Part 1 footage was taken on the 27th of August, 2026. This is Milky Norton Grange, the largest hotel in the UK. The Milky Norton Grange...
with up to 12 months to pay. Sofas and smartphones, cozy duvet. 12 months to slay, 12 months to slay. With very pay, snazzy air fryers for your nuggies, TVs and vacuums for your hubbies. 12 months to slay, 12 months to slay. With very pay,
Get up to 12 months to pay with VeryPay and pay no interest. Let's make it sparkle.
You know, I've been investing for a while.
From insurance to wealth
It's all yours now.
and retirement, we can help solve life's financial puzzles.
You're gonna do great.
Making it click? It takes Aviva.
Every time a wave dumped down on us, I honestly thought we were going to die.
I shouted, nobody heard me.
RNLI volunteers are on call 24 hours a day to rescue people in danger by the coast or at sea. But the RNLI is a charity, and our crew members are volunteers. We can't save lives without you. Please donate £3 a month and help our crews to save everyone they can and come home safely too. Search RNLI now.
Build your tree and explore how your family connects to others with the world's largest network of family trees. Start your free trial today at Ancestry.
Where the hell's the light switch? Shower.
Whether you're setting up a new nest, starting your own flock, or they just keep on growing, get more time to pay with VeryPay. You can buy now and pay up to 12 months later, and pay no interest, with nothing to pay at checkout. And you can easily keep track of payments in the Very app. More time to pay with VeryPay.
When they mean the world to you, having Pet Plan Pet Insurance can help you get them the best care. We pay 97% of claims. And what's more, we'll never charge you more for claiming. Not all pet insurance is the same, which is why so many vets work with us. Save 10% when you sign up at petplan.co.uk.
Join EE, the UK's fastest growing broadband provider, and break free from long contracts earlier than you thought, with up to £300 towards your leaving fees. So switch to ultra-reliable EE broadband, all for just $29.99 a month. Switch today and break free to EE.
Mum used to make the chili oil just for herself, but we didn't realise how special it was. A lot of friends were like, you have to make this into a thing. You've got to get on Shopify.
The website is live.
Today we are in dozens of stores and doing super well online. It's brilliant.
We are York John's chili oil.
And we're powered by Shopify.
Whenever no car insurance gets in your way, temp cover for an hour or even a day. Temp cover to share. Or if you just need to get there and on that day you pick it up new, woohoo! You could get a quote in under 2 minutes. Join the 3 million who got temporary insurance and get on the road.
Tempcover.com.
Okay, everyone ready? Let's go.
Country.
Watching TV.
There's a glass first.
Absolutely amazing. A double bill from Block 13 is next on Video Toolbox, and the kids have to go to the concert because they're getting tickets to the concert.
Buy now with up to 12 months to pay. Sofas and smartphones, cozy duvet. 12 months to slay, 12 months to slay. With VeryPay, with VeryPay. Snazzy air fryers for your nuggies. TVs and vacuums for your hubbies. 12 months to slay, 12 months to slay. With VeryPay, with VeryPay.
Get up to 12 months to pay with VeryPay and pay no interest. Let's make it sparkle.
Hey Dad, I have an idea. You know, I've been investing for a while.
From insurance to wealth
It's all yours now.
and retirement, we can help solve life's financial puzzles.
You're gonna do great.
Making it click? It takes Aviva.
Every time a wave dumped down on us, I honestly thought we were going to die.
I shouted, nobody heard me.
RNLI volunteers are on call 24 hours a day to rescue people in danger by the coast or at sea. But the RNLI is a charity and our crew members are volunteers. We can't save lives without you. Please donate £3 a month and help our crews to save everyone they can and come home safely too. Search RNLI now.
You don't yet know what your next core memory will be, or who your next lifelong friend will be. The next first time, the next last time, the next moment that stays with you forever. A lifetime of great stories await. You just need to know where to find them.
How to prevent smelly residue build-up in washing machine. The internet says add vinegar. Does that work?
Instead, try Calgon 4-in-1 Gel. Compared to vinegar, when you add Calgon to dirty water, it prevents more of the dirt build-up in your washing machine. Just add Calgon to every wash for a fresh, clean washing machine.
Washing machines live longer with Calgon.
Save money on your travel insurance when you've just used Confused.com.
Saving for your first home? With a Moneybox Lifetime ISA, you could be closer than you think. You can get a 25% government bonus on your savings, up to £1,000 free every year towards your deposit. But we'll have to leave the decorating to you. Moneybox. Turn your money into something greater.
Get Three's unlimited same value plan from just £14.50 a month for the first 6 months. Don't miss out. Go unlimited today. Plus, with EU roaming included, roam like you're at home in the EU. Buy now in store or online.
Get great savings in the Hillary's summer sale, with up to 50% off hundreds of made-to-measure blinds, curtains and shutters. Plus, go electric for less with £50 off your electric blind order. An easy way to control your blinds. We're so confident you'll love our prices that if you find the same product with the same service for less, we'll match the price. Book your free in-home appointment today. Call 0800 916 1010 or visit hillarys.co.uk. Hillary's summer sale, for the window wise.
Oh, yeah, that'll go nicely.
Think about the recipe.
Think about the flavor. They're gonna love this.
Jeff?
I put paprika in.
Domio, yeah.
Join EE, the UK's fastest growing broadband provider, and break free from long contracts earlier than you thought, with up to £300 towards your leaving fees. So switch to ultra-reliable EE broadband, all for just $29.99 a month. Switch today and break free to EE.
Kid Williams goes behind the scenes of the Norton Grange Hotel trips in Out from 11 here on Video Toolbox. But first, we're heading to drama now in Block 13.
ريحتها كتير حلوة.
ماما جيب لي كيكة وأنا أبي كاكاو بنجوم. اللهم إني صائم. اللهم إني
I would apologise for the technical problems. The programme we're supposed to bring you didn't show up correctly. So we'll try our best to fix the fault and get back to our normal programme as soon as we can. This is Video Toolbox, and I would like to apologise again for the technical problems we had earlier bringing you the concert programme from Block 13. We haven't fixed the technical problem yet, so we'll leave it at that. That's it from Video Toolbox for another day. We're back in the morning though, from 7 AM for more fantastic programmes. But until then, from all of us here, good night.